Hey, I'm Sean.
And I'm John.
And
together we are the Bird Bros. So I do home renovations.
And I work on an organic farm.
We travel all over Ontario, taking videos of birds for our YouTube channel.
We've been friends for over 15 years.
That's over half our life.
Yeah!
And then last year, I was fortunate enough to go snowboarding and get hit by a car. And it was filmed.
Oh, the dogs.
Oh my god. Video went viral.
Viral.
And that gave us the to go start the Bird Bros channel. And so it began.
So we took our passion of birding and we decided to just go full blown with it. We go out like every weekend just to see birds.
Yeah. There's never a bad time to go birding.
No.
There's better times, but there's never a bad time. So, we're trying to see every owl species in Ontario this year.
There's 9 owl species in total in Ontario.
Only a few more to go.
But owls aren't the only things we're interested in. We also like all the other birds.
We think we'd be excellent for the amazing race because
we're mentally fit, physically fit.
But that's just how we were born, really.
Not even a problem. We are comfortable in all kinds of weather. We aren't deterred by any inclement weather.
Yeah, blackbird, red-winged blackbird. Yeah, and a robin.
I'm great at navigating in cities on the fly.
Big cities.
Just like that.
Big ones. And I'm great at navigating in the country.
I mean, so am I. And he's good at the cities. We're both great, but we're just we're good. Excellent.
Yeah, props. Snailed ya. Oh.
We have a positive attitude, we're great competitors, and we both have excellent balance. So choose us for the Amazing Race Canada!